Welcome. If you want to switch between home mode and the star mode in the Xiaomi Mi TV 4S, and first we have to reach the settings icon in the right upper corner. Next we have to go for the device preferences, and right now we have to scroll down and you have to go right here for the TV mode. As you can see in this place, we can turn on store mode or home mode. When you decide to go for the store mode, you will get this kind of the notification. If you want to confirm and enter for the store mode, just select yes. I don't want to make it, so I'm going to go for a no, and I will stay with the home mode. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.